Been at Quaker Oats 4.5 years. I was in operations for 3 years. Then at my 3rd year, I moved to be a maintenance supervisor, and I've been in that position for 1.5 years right now. So a normal day for a maintenance supervisor would be, I come in very early. I just make sure all my crews are here. I have the manpower I need. If there's lines down, we plan work to be done on those lines, critical repairs. And with the lines that are running, if there's any big breakdowns that happen, I follow up with my guys, or I spend time with them during the day on what they work on. That's pretty much, throughout the day, we have meetings throughout the day also. We have to attend staff meetings. But pretty much that's what the day encompasses: getting planned work done, and then following up my maintenance personnel on any kind of critical repairs they're doing. In regards to training, I graduated from Purdue University. From Purdue University in 2004. My degree is in organizational leadership and supervision, and I've had a lot of trainings around production and manufacturing. I've had a lot of leadership type trainings, and most recently I've had some technical training in regards to PLCs, programmable logic controllers, that a lot of our maintenance techs work on. So a lot of my experience and background and trainings is within or for the operations type position. What I like most about what I do is really learning from these guys. They're really sharp, these mechanics out here. We've got basic mechanics and electricians, and watching them fix machinery is, to me, it's amazing how smart they are and how sharp they are. Watching them, go through the thought process of troubleshooting a piece of machinery, especially if it's an electrical problem or a computer-based problem. It's just amazing watching them do that. So in that sense, I'm learning from them every day. So that's the part of the job I really do like. I'm learning constantly, because this job is kind of out of my element. But as I'm spending more time with these guys, it's just becoming something I really like and really enjoy. Now, the part I really, if you can talk about the part I don't like, it's kind of one and the same. It's fighting the fires every day. It's hard to get in front of all the problems that we come across, but at the same time, you can see yourself making progress and taking care of the problems as they come up, or you try to head them off first. I think the future looks pretty bright. There's always something going on. Things need to be made, especially in this industry. And I'm going to be a little biased here. In the foods industry, I think it's very strong. Manufacturing in this industry is great. It's a good job if you like fast-paced environments, which I do. I thrive on that. And what I would tell high school graduates to concentrate on is interpersonal skills is huge. And working in a manufacturing environment, technical skills is one thing. If you have them, great. If you can get them, even better. Interpersonal skills is something that employers really look after. At least when I was interviewing, they asked a lot about that. They made comments like, we can teach technical skills, but it's so hard to teach interpersonal skills. So getting those skills, in high school or even after high school, is something I think that should be focused on. Working with people and working through people is something essential in a manufacturing environment. And then also, if you can get some kind of experience like myself. After high school, I spent 5 years in a production facility that we service the steel mills. So I spent 5 years in that facility, and then I went to college, got my degree. My degree went along with what I did before college. And then when I got out with my degree from Purdue University, I stayed right on that track. So experience it's key. Interpersonal skills and technical skills, together they're a great combination for a manufacturing environment. The teamwork here is pretty good. We have formal teams that we're on every day or weekly. That's one thing. They're formalized and we meet. But informal teamwork we use every day and throughout the day in the maintenance department. There's several supervisors and there's several planners that we all come together when we have problems. We all help each other out. We all communicate very well with each other, and that seems to keep the plant going. In regards in that aspect. Same with when I was in operations. There's several supervisors on each side in the chewy department and in the ready-to-eat department. And without good teamwork, departments will fall apart. So myself and some other ones, we try to keep close contact with each other when we're on shift or even off the shift. We'll call the other one and see how things are going, and if we can help out in any way, we usually do. Teamwork is essential. I mean, it's such a big facility. We got 500 plus employees here. I mean, we got to work together. PepsiCo is it really backs diversity and inclusion. It's something that we try to bring to light. We try to cherish it. We try to get our people involved in these types of activities. It's basically really what PepsiCo is saying and what Quaker Oats is saying is, we celebrate everyone's differences, and it really doesn't make a difference. And we're all the same, and everyone's got the same kind of chances as the next person does. So, I mean, it's a really good place to work.